Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually invest as low as 100 naira online. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain everything. So if you're in Nigeria and you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's dive in for today's video. In today's video I'm going to be making use of a platform called Carwise. If you're actually familiar with Carwise, then yeah, you don't need to bother. But if you're actually new to Carwise and you don't know how to invest on Carwise, in this video I'm going to show you that. And yes, I also have some investments on Carwise, and I'm also going to be using those investments to explain a few things about Carwise and also how you can invest online. Okay, so that is guys for this video. Let me dive into my laptop. Yes, so welcome back to the video. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Okay, so yes, like I said, the name of the platform is called Carwise. And also don't skip, okay, because in this video I'm also going to mention other platforms you can use in investing online. Okay, so as you can see, if you're new to Carwise, all you have to do is come to the website. I'm going to paste the link to register in my description below, so you can go ahead and sign up with Carwise. Okay, as you can see, you can save your money and you can also invest your money. Okay, so yes, I'm just going to sign in into my account. I'll just sign in. Okay, so it's opening. Just close this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my account, and yes, I want you to take note of some things, because I'm going to explain few things before I dive into how you can actually invest on this platform. Okay, so if you take a look at my portfolio growth, this is going to show you when I started this investment on Carwise and how far I've gone using Carwise. Okay, remember I said in this video you can invest as low as 100 naira on Carwise. Yes, I actually invested 200 naira on Carwise. Yes, I actually invested 200 naira, and that was around last year. As you can see, last year December, this is, as you can see right here, last year December, 220 naira, which was in my account. Then after that, if you take a look, if I keep on taking this arrow, my mouse, I'm just dragging it, you're going to see how far my portfolio has grown. But throughout December till mid of this year, it was at this, I did not even gain much. Why? Because of the investment, because of what I invested my money in. It wasn't actually giving me more returns like I expected, so I had to change my investment and invest in other things that will give me more returns. Okay, and when I did that middle of May, as you can see, beginning of May, I did that, and as you can see, then yeah, skyrocketed. I was able to get above 700 naira. Okay, remember, like I said, I started with 200 naira, and when I changed my investment, I was able to get 700 naira, and that kept on going for some amount of months. And yeah, later around September, it skyrocketed again to 900 naira, as you can see right here, 900 naira. Okay, so that's it guys. I have 900 naira in as total amount I've invested on Carwise. Okay, or total investments, my investments plus my returns. Okay, so let's go to plans. In order for you to start investing on Carwise, you need to come to the plan section, where you're going to see your savings, and you're actually going to see investments. Tap on investments. Okay, as you can see right here, these are the investments that are currently on my account. As you can see right here, Lemon, LHM Press, Breeze, and Grape, and Co. These are all the things I actually invested in. So if you want to invest for the first time, the thing you need to do is you need to tap on buy mutual funds. Once you tap on buy mutual funds, you're actually going to see these two things: dollar mutual funds and naira mutual funds. So it's going to ask you, which do you want to invest in? Do you want to invest in dollars, or do you want to invest in naira? Okay, so if you tap on invest in dollars, it's going to show you the it's going to show you the mutual funds that are available in dollars. So I'm just going to tap Nigerian, just tap this for example. As you can see, you can claim your investments anytime, you can invest anytime, and you can also check the risk level. This is moderate. Okay, yes. And I forgot to tell you this. When you're signing up on Carwise, they're going to give you some questions to answer. This is going to help them determine the kind of investments they're going to give you. Like I said, this is going to determine the kind of investments they're going to give you, which means if you actually are a low risk taker, then they're going to show you low risk investments, which means you are not going to earn that much, because you are investing, you are actually trying to minimize your risk, because you don't want, because one thing about investments is you need to be ready for the risk. Okay, you need to be ready for any amount of risk as an investor. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm an aggressive investor, which means I don't care. I'm very I don't care about my funds. I can risk any amount of money as long as I'm going to gain very high. Okay, that's just it. But I'm not saying you should actually be an aggressive investor like me on Carwise, basically. But you just have to I'm just giving my own opinion if you want to earn more. Okay, and yes, don't forget, you can actually still lose your money while you're investing. Okay, so I can click on invest now. If I click on invest now, they're going to tell me how much I want to invest. Like I said, this is dollars investment, which means $1 is 540. As you can see, $1 is 540, which means I need to have at least $1 before I can invest on this. So since I don't want to invest on most of my investments here are in Naira, so I'll just tap on buy mutual investment and click Naira funds. Then you can see various investments. As you can see right here, you can see various investments. You can go ahead and select the one you actually want. And if you take a look at all this, you can see these are as you can see, you can take a look at this. You notice aggressive investments, moderate investments, I think, okay, and conservative investments. All these are not, you won't gain much. As you can see, you won't gain much, okay. So as you can see, yes, if you notice their yield profit, their yield returns and annual refunds and everything. This is good, which means if you actually invest in any of these things, you're going to be getting your money. You trust me, you're going to be getting your money. And as you can see, so this one, I don't think you're going to gain your money. Yeah, I think this was actually why I wasn't gaining anything. I think I invested in this earlier. I'm going to check HRM. I'll check. I think I invested in it. Okay, yes, I'm okay. Okay, I think I invested in it. Okay, yes, I did not invest in this. I invested in this. So as you can see the yield returns 14%, which means this is why I actually gained more when I invested. Okay, so yes, you need to also do your analysis. Make sure you also go through all this, like just make your research on each of these businesses, so you can go ahead and so you don't risk or lose your money. And yes, all you just have to do is once you fund your account with 100 Naira, you can start investing even as a student. Okay, it's very easy. You can start as a student and start investing and make your money and all. Okay, and yes, to fund your account, you come to the start section, then click on is it bank transfer or USSD. Okay, just tap on bank transfer. If we take a look at this, just going to see that as you can see, actually this was 5, this was this is just going to show the amount of money I've actually topped on my account. Okay, so I'm going to tap on bank transfers. You can transfer money to your account and basically, and yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it on how to invest your money as low as 100 Naira on Carwise. If you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.